If you need to recover your FlowBank account but no longer have access to a phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the FlowBank website. Go to the official FlowBank website. Look for the login section where you can find options related to account recovery. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your FlowBank account. This is crucial as it will be used to send you recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from FlowBank with recovery instructions. Follow the link provided in the email to reset your password or verify your identity. Step 5. Complete the recovery process. Follow the prompts to reset your password or answer any security questions. Once completed, you should be able to access your account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to FlowBank's customer support for further assistance.